Okay, this little lesson here is real quick, real easy, and I'm going to actually kind of explain what I'm doing here, and we'll talk about it. But I'm going to use these same guys here for another experiment here, or another object lesson in a few minutes. But what you want to do is I got a little cap here, and I'm going to just soak their heads in 50% alcohol. Just like that. And Brother Larry did this. He did this really great. He got a little styrofoam block and put about 10 or 12 on each one. And what we're doing here is the Holy Ghost. And when the Holy Ghost poured out, it says that it sat on them as like tongues of fire. Okay? Let me turn the light off real quick, see if it shows up a little bit. But turned the wrong way. So right there, tongues of fire, and with the 50% alcohol on it, the sponge actually, as you can see, it's not actually burning. In the alcohol, because of 50% alcohol, the water keeps the sponge from actually burning. But tongues of fire, so it's a great little, quick little demonstration. You get some cheap sponges at like the dollar store, and you can cut them out into figurines. And you got Holy Ghost Sunday, tongues of fire, and like if you set them up with like toothpicks, I got little pieces of wire to make little stands. Just dip their heads in alcohol. Real simple, but it's really cool. The kids love fire, and you'll have a great time with that one. It's real simple.